In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume Thinkorswim. Volume is one of the most useful indicators on a price chart because it shows how many shares traded during each bar, helping you gauge the strength behind price moves. If your chart looks empty at the bottom, or you're missing those familiar red and green bars, this quick setup will get them back. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform and let your charts load. Make sure you're on the charting screen for the symbol you want to analyze. If you're in a different section, switch to your chart view so you can see the price candles and the main toolbar across the top of the chart area. Next, look for the settings control at the top of the chart. On most layouts, it's the small gear icon in the upper area of the chart panel. Click it to open the chart settings window. This is where Thinkorswim keeps display preferences for different instrument types and where the volume toggle lives. Inside the settings window, navigate to the equities section. Thinkorswim organizes settings by asset class, and the Equities tab controls how stock charts are displayed. This is important because volume for stocks is managed here, separate from futures or options display settings. In the Equities section, find the option to show volume on the chart and check the box. Depending on your version, it may read as Show Volume or a similar label that enables the volume subgraph. Turning this on tells Thinkorswim to plot the vertical volume bars beneath your price chart. These bars typically color match the price bar's direction, making it easy to see rising volume on up days versus down days. If you prefer a clean look, you can still keep the bars subtle while benefiting from the information they provide. Once you've selected the volume checkbox, click OK to apply your changes and close the settings window. You should now see the volume bars appear at the bottom of your chart. If they look compressed, try widening your chart area or zooming slightly so the bars have room to display. Also remember that volume is tied to your chart's time frame, so a daily chart will show 1 bar per day, while intraday charts show volume for each intraday candle. That's it. Open Thinkorswim, go to your chart, open Settings, choose Equities, check the volume option and confirm with OK. And with volume visible, you'll have better context for breakouts, reversals, and consolidations as you analyze your trades. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer view of your charts with volume turned on.